Ever wished you could send out beautiful, custom newsletters that don't just look good, but truly impress your audience? Let's dive into Adobe Dreamweaver and learn how to create an HTML newsletter from scratch. First, open Dreamweaver and create a new HTML document. You'll want to choose a starter layout. None is fine for maximum creative control. Then, let's begin with the structure in your HTML body. Use a table to contain the newsletter. This is crucial for email client compatibility. Define your table's width, perhaps setting it to 600 pixels or whatever is comfortable for your design. Start by inserting a table. Inside the table, insert a table row. This will be your header row at a table cell, and inside that cell, insert an image for your logo. Adjusting the image dimensions to best fit your design. Use the Properties panel to easily adjust things like the cell's padding or the overall table's alignment. Then add another row to be your main content area. Insert your introductory text or headlines. To add visual flair, insert more rows, and within them images or short paragraphs. Make sure to link your desired text or images. This is where you use Dreamweaver's visual design tools as you update the design. Keep in mind that this is all HTML based, so use what Dreamweaver gives you. When you are satisfied, save your file. Dreamweaver will handle the HTML code for you if you create it in its design function. Test your newsletter by previewing it in a web browser. Make sure everything looks and links as expected. Then, copy the code from Dreamweaver and paste it into your email marketing platform of choice. Boom! A professional HTML newsletter created without coding exhaustion. Now, get out there and make a newsletter today.